Hello, it's me, Angry Britain. I'm in the car. I'm in the car because I'm very, 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 very upset. And I'd like to do an instructional video on how to use your car, particularly because it's nearly home time. Now, are you ready to start? Welcome to the inside of a car. This big round thing here is the steering wheel. This thing here is called an indicator. Watch what happens when I press it. Do you see the lights? They are not Christmas tree lights. They are there for a purpose. These lights tell other road users where you're going. You press them down to go left and up to go right. It's very, very simple. Down to go left, up to go right. On some cars, you will find this stick over here, on this side. Over here, you see? Here, on his, over here. So, on the way home tonight, seeing as it's nearly home time, why not try to use the fucking things? That would be very, very helpful to other road users. Do you see? Stick. Down, flash, flash. Up, flash, flash. Down, flash, flash. Up, flash, flash. It's very clever. Not only do they flash inside the car, they also flash outside the car. Do you see the flashing light? This here. This tells other road users what way you're going. You see? No flash. Flash, flash. It's very simple. Do you understand? Flash, flash. Tells other users where you're going, so they don't crash into you on roundabouts and junctions. It's very simple to use, and all cars have them, even BMWs. There you go. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.